Are you ready to get your freak on? Welcome to Move Like a Contrology Freak. My name is Kira Lamb, and this is a series of Pilates exercise tutorials for the Pilates curious up to the seasoned professional. Let's work on bicycle, which comes right after high scissors or scissors. And the challenge is pretty much the same. The challenge is to stabilize your Pilates box, that space from shoulder to shoulder and hip to hip, while your hips are elevated and you are bicycling your legs. Once again, a great challenge for your posterior chain, so your upper back, your triceps, your glutes, and your hamstrings. I will meet you on the mat. Bicycle comes right after scissors, and there's two ways to get into it. So let's say you just finished your scissor here. You bring your legs together, reach your arms forward, roll down, anchor your arms in your waist, lower your legs. You come right back up into that shape. I pull my waist down, I do my pelvic tilt, reach my toes to the top of the wall behind me. I anchor my hands at the backs of my hips, press your upper arm bones into the floor, pull your shoulder blades together and look up. Keep reaching your toes up, find your first scissor. So I lift up and I try to reach my right leg so far forward, it's out of my sight line. Keep lifting your hips up, press the back of your right thigh down and pull your heel to your seat, and then go into a scissor with your left leg reaching forward and down. I'm gonna press my left hamstring down, pull my heel to my seat, and then I'm gonna switch. Find your scissor, keep pressing your hips up, right thigh down, pull your heel to your seat, and then scissor. Press your hamstring down, hips up, and then you flow. Reach away from you, and then bring your legs together, scoop your powerhouse, roll down one bone at a time, anchor your waist, anchor your arms, float your legs down. The other way to get into bicycle is to flow right into it out of your scissor. So let's say I just finished my last set of scissors and then I bike. I reach my leg out of my sight line and try to kick my seat while pressing my upper arm bones into the mat. Legs go up, pull my abs in, reach my arms forward, roll down. I anchor my arms and my waist and float my legs down. So the common issues in the scissors tend to show up in bicycle. So it looks like this. I'm biking right in front of my face. Instead, I need to bike out of my sight line. I reach towards the wall in front of me. I reach my hips up, reach up and away from me, and that's my bicycle. The other common issue is wrist pain, and that comes from dumping the weight of your pelvis into your hands and not supporting your body with your upper back, your triceps, and your powerhouse. So create opposition in your body by pressing your upper arm bones through the mat, pull your shoulder blades together and look up. And then lift your hips up, reach your toes for the top of the wall behind you. Your wrists will bend, but you don't dump your hips into them. So I'm actively pressing my palm and all 10 fingers into my hips, even as my wrists bend backwards. There's still support. And then I pull my heel to my seat, I lift my hips up, arms down, I reach my leg forward. Yes, my wrists are bending, but they're not relaxed. I'm pressing all 10 fingers and my palms into my hips. And then you can roll down one bone at a time, anchor your arms, your waist, and float your legs down. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Now, if you're looking for more personalized instruction and feedback, or maybe like an actual class, I teach virtual mat classes on Zoom every single week. Go to my website, kiralam.com, and you'll find my schedule and you can register for class. For a discount, enter the code ContrologyFreak. Go figure. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and you'll get 3 exercise tutorials every week. Thank you.